We're going to look next at a quick addition to the conditional statement syntax in bash scripting. We're going to look at what is called the case statement, which you know probably from other programming languages under the name of switch statement. So you're probably familiar already with the underlying logic. The syntax is just a little bit different, so I do case, and I'm going to specify I want to look at a specific variable, the content of a specific variable, and then I'm going to list all of my cases, and when I'm done, I'm going to close the case statement by typing exact. So the same way that the if statement starts with if and ends with fi, the case statement starts with case and ends with exact. Okay, so the same word spelled backward. And then the way that you write your cases, you're going to do things like, for example, okay, if the first argument is equal to the string start, okay, so we're talking about comparison of strings here, okay, echo, let's do something like that, starting service. So let's say we are writing a little script to which we can pass keywords that represent command. So I can call my script by calling the name of the script, my script.sh, and then specify start. So if I specify the string start as first argument, then the script will start a service, for example, on my server, whatever that means, okay? And then you end your case with double semicolon. So you could have multiple statement here, okay? Starting a service, done. So hopefully you do things that are a little bit more useful than just echo statement, okay? But this is just to illustrate how it works. And then you can have a stop argument. So if somebody uses stop as first argument, then I'm going to say, okay, I am stopping the service. And then I'm going to say, okay, I am done. And then close my case. All right. Okay, don't forget that. It's kind of like using the break keyword in Java, for example. And then I can have a default case, which I specify by putting the asterisk. So the asterisk is kind of used here as it is used in globbing, okay, where you mean asterisk.exe means all the file ending in the suffix .exe. Well, here that means, okay, if I didn't match any of the strings here, like start or stop, then here's the next match that I'm going to attempt, so anything. And it's just going to say what? I don't understand what you're trying to get me to do, okay? So let's save that script. Let's try to run it, and we're going to play a little bit with it. So my script, let's say that I start with a command like coffee. So it doesn't match, the script looks at $1, okay, which is the first argument, coffee. Doesn't match with the string, so we go to the next case. Doesn't match with the string, go to the next case. It does match with the string because it's anything, so it executes this code, okay, and then reach the end of the case, and we're out. Now if I try to do something like start, okay, so yep, this time $1 is matched and successfully matched to the string start, so this code here is executed, okay, and obviously if I do something like stop here, there we go. So $1 is matched to the string, and this code is executed. All right. So this is a very simple syntax. Should be very familiar to what you've learned in other programming language when learning to do switch statements and stuff like that. It's just a little bit different, syntactically speaking, in bash scripting.